Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a very quick, very easy, no-bake cheesecake. It's from the James Martin book called Desserts, and it's a chocolate and ginger luscious cheesecake. So let's get on with it. We're going to make two of these sample sizes. These are baking rings, superb for making individual portions, and you can buy them online or in a good cake shop. These are excellent. So we're going to make two of these, and for this we need 4 digestive biscuits. I'm going to pop them into a bag and I'm going to smash them up. If you've got a blender, even better. Lucky you. For me, I'm afraid it's tip half of this mixture into the center there. This will give us our nice crispy base. That's about half. Save the rest for another one. There we go. I can go over there. Someone can wash that up. Not me, I hope. I'm going to tamper it down so we get a nice even base all the way around. Now in the bowl here I've got 300 grams of soft cream cheese. I'm just going to whisk this up a little bit just to soften it up a little bit more. Now to this we're going to add some of this fabulous stuff. This is already pre-chopped ginger. I know it's lazy. I'm just going to take that out. Oh, the smell is beautiful. Just going to take a few shreds of those and sprinkle them in the cream cheese there. And I want to put in some juice as well, so I'm going to put 1, 2, and spoon it into the cake tin. There we go. This is where it goes everywhere. Steady, steady, steady. Trying not to make a mess, you know, which is unlike me because I like to make a mess. That's the fun of cooking, isn't it? Make a mess. Just want to level this out a little bit now so it's nice and smooth. You can really smell the ginger, it's really lovely. James Martin, you've come up with a good recipe here, and it's nice and easy as well. There we go, that looks lovely. What I'm doing is I'm just pressing it down slightly so it gets rid of some of the air bubbles and levels the top off. There we go, lovely. Now, to the top of this, I'm going to sprinkle some grated chocolate. This is dark brown chocolate, and it is roughly 70% chocolate, so, or cocoa, I should say. Just going to sprinkle that on top, just decorates it in nicely. There we go. And as usual, I'm making a mess. It's going everywhere. There we go. How lovely is that there? Let's spread all that out a bit more. There we go. Oh hey, that's looking good now. That's looking good. I'm sprinkled over the edges of the plate, as you can see. It's not supposed to happen, but I'll call that decoration. Fabulous cheesecake. Looks really, really tasty. Let's break into it, see what it tastes like. It's so soft. Now, I tell you, this is so easy to knock up. If you're looking for a quick and easy cheesecake or a dessert, this is fantastic. Didn't take long at all once you get used to it. And the crumbly base. That really is lovely. Soft, chewy, crunchy. The base is lovely and crunchy, it's just right. The cheesecake mixture with the ginger running through it is a nice little, gives you a nice little kick. And then you've got the chocolate on top. And that really, oh, that's fabulous. You got to try it. Let me know how you get on. Don't forget, subscribe to the YouTube channel down below. And yeah, just give us a thumbs up or comment below and let me know how you get on. and we'll see you in the next one. I forgot to say that, didn't I? We'll see you in the next one. Leave me to it now.